Hi everyone, it's Trish and welcome to my channel, Trish's Healthy Appetite. Today I am bringing you the best tomato soup I have ever made. It is a hearty, savory soup that is also high in protein and very filling. I love this soup because it blends the delicious flavor of tomatoes with tender, thinly sliced potatoes. It is the perfect soup all year round. I've included the recipe in the description box below, so let's take a look at the ingredients. First, you will need water, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, black pepper, salt, onion powder, oregano, ground cumin, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, red lentils, a vegan bouillon, and 2 large potatoes. Okay, let's get started. Here it is, the best tomato soup I've ever made. My mouth is watering just looking at the footage. This soup is hearty enough to stand on its own as a main dish, or you can serve it in smaller portions as a side dish. I hope you try out my recipe, and if you do, let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. My channel is new, so please subscribe so you can be the first to check out my new recipes. I upload new recipe videos 4 times a week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.